The Dutch claim and complain that it rains a lot in the Netherlands. In Nederland regent het vaak. In this video, we are going to look at this claim and see if it is really true. We are going to show you statistics, compare the Netherlands to other countries in Europe and the rest of the world. And if you are one of the people that doesn't like the rain, the place to avoid, and the place you should be at in the Netherlands. So let's dive into this. So let's start by finding out how much rain we actually get in the Netherlands. The average rainfall in the Netherlands is around 778 millimeters per year. An amount of rain that has been relatively the same over the last 10 years, of which most falls in autumn and winter. Let's translate that into time. How much time, or how many hours does it rain in the Netherlands? Well, surprisingly, only about 700 hours per year. This is approximately only 6 to 8% of the time. Not that much, right? Surely, when we compare this to the rest of the world, we are near or above the average. Well, no. The world average is around 1168 millimeters, which mean we are well below that too. But that includes the tropics and other rainy places, I hear you think. So let's find out how we compare to the rest of Europe. When we look at European countries, we find that there is actually quite a lot of rain in different regions. And these are the top 5 countries on that list with the average amount of rain in each one of them. In 5th place, we have the United Kingdom with 1220 millimeters of rain per year. 4th, we find Norway with 1414 millimeters. At 3rd place, we see Albania with 1485 millimeters. 2nd is Switzerland with 1537 millimeters on average. And in 1st place, Iceland with a whopping 1940 millimeters per year. And the Netherlands? What place were they at? We find the Netherlands at the 17th place in Europe. So, conclusion, it is not that rainy. But there must be a reason why we feel that rains all the time then, isn't there? Well, yes, and it has to do with the time and amount of hours it rains. Although we are not in the top countries with most hours of rain either, that honor goes to Norway, Ireland, and the United Kingdom. Those 700 hours of rain in the Netherlands usually fall during the afternoon and early evening, according to some studies. Hours that we are aware of the rain. Time that we leave the office, have to do the groceries, or other activities that require us to be outside. That is why we have that feeling that often rains in the Netherlands. Now, to make you feel a little better about all of this, let's have a look at places that can really complain about the amount of rain they get. In 5th place, we find San Antonio de Eureka, Equatorial Guinea, 10,450 millimeter, the wettest place in Africa. 4th, Crop River, New Zealand, 11,516 millimeter, famous for consistent rainfall. In 3rd place, we go to South America, Tutendo, Colombia, 11,770 millimeter, known for its 2 rainy seasons. For 2nd and 1st place, we go to India, Cherrapunji with 11,777 millimeter, known for frequent rain that can last weeks, and Morzanram with 11,871 millimeter annually. The wettest place on Earth with heavy monsoon seasons. Now, did that make you feel a little bit better to be in the Netherlands? I bet it did. Well, I promised to give you the wettest and the driest place in the Netherlands, so let's have a look. So if you really don't like the rain, you should avoid Rotterdam. This city gets the honor of being the wettest city in the Netherlands. It has to do with the proximity to the sea and other reasons that make South Holland the wettest region. And, if you really don't like the rain, you should move to Maastricht in the province of Limburg. This city gets the honor of being the driest city in the Netherlands. And southern Limburg, for that reason, is the region with the least amount of rain. Now that I have taken away the fun of complaining about the rain, is there something we can complain about in the Netherlands? Yes, there is. The Netherlands is one of the windiest countries in Europe, this due to its very flat land, its proximity to the sea, and its overall mild climate. Let me explain. A windy day is any day with winds at 5 Beaufort or more than 29 kilometers per hour. On average, we get between 80 and 100 windy days, but at the coast in Zeeland, Noord-Holland and in Friesland, this might be more. And although it is not in the top 5 of windiest places in Europe, it is one of the countries with a very consistent wind on most days of the year. Something to complain about, maybe. So there you have it. Dutch weather explained, another myth debunked. Make sure to watch the other videos in this series on Dutch culture and explanation on the country itself. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck in your learning, and see you next time.